Good morning everyone. So today we are going to start a new chapter of science, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is light. Okay. So with me you all can also open your discovery books along with you. So today we are going to discuss about light. In the previous chapter we have discussed about sound, but in this chapter we will do light. First of all, what is light? लाइट क्या होता है बेटा? लाइट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. लाइट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी विच enables us to see the things clearly. Which enables us to see the things clearly. What does it mean? कि लाइट की हेल्प से हम सारी चीजों को we can all the things very very clearly. Example, during daytime we can see buildings around us, birds, vehicles, etc. So many things are there that we can see in the light very very clearly. If we will compare the day with night, अगर हम day को night के साथ compare करें, if we will compare day with night, so during night the light is very less, the amount of light is very less. Light की amount क्या होती है? Less होती है. So we cannot see the things clearly. Yes, in your house you can use your artificial sources of light, that is tube light, bulb and a candle. So many things are there. But if we go outside our homes, then we cannot see the things very clearly. We cannot see the color of the buildings, we cannot see the color of the vehicles. Yes, we can imagine that there is something, but we cannot see them clearly. But during day the sunlight is there. Sunlight is there, that is very bright. So with the help of sunlight we can see the things very very clearly during the daytime. Okay everyone, like we can see the color of the birds, we can see the color of the vehicles, we can see the color of the clothes that we wear, and we can see the color of the buildings also during the daytime. So this is the difference, that during daytime the amount of light is more, that's why we can see clearly, and during night the amount of light is very less, so that we cannot see the things very very clearly. Okay everyone, now the next one is how we can see the things in light. How we can see the things, हम जो things है, how we can see, हम कैसे देखते हैं, how light help us to see the things clearly. Now the second is how we can see the things with the help of light. So basically you can see your books, open your page number 114. So there is a picture. So how we can see the things with the help of light? But when light falls on an object, example, there is a box, ये एक box है, this is a box. Okay, this is a box. When light will fall onto the box, जब जो light है, the light is coming from here, this is a torch, the light is coming from here, and when this light will fall on the box, okay, then this box will bounces back the light. जो ये box है, any object, you can say any object, when light will fall on any object, then that object bounces back the light. Okay, then that light that is bouncing back, then that light reaches to our eyes, that bounce back light reaches to our eyes, then we are able to see the things. Okay, so basically what is there, you can look at the paragraph 2, that this bounced light reaches our eyes and enable us to see the. Okay, yes class, सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट मीन्स कि कहाँ से हमें लाइट मिल रही है, फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर गेटिंग द लाइट. ओके, सो देयर आर टू सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट. वन इज नेचुरल सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट, natural sources of light, and second one is the artificial sources of light. Okay, so what are the natural sources of light? Natural, what do you mean by natural? Natural से क्या meaning है आपका? Natural means the things that are present in an environment by their own. They are not man-made. वो man-made नहीं होती, ठीक है? They are present in our you can say environment by their own. Okay, so these are the natural sources of light. You can read here also, existing in nature, not made by human beings. The things that are existing in nature by their own. Okay, so these are known as the natural sources of light. So what are the natural? What are the examples of the natural sources of light? So that is sun, stars, and fireflies. So these are the natural sources of light. बेटा जो नेचर में खुद प्रेजेंट है, अपने आप प्रेजेंट है. These are not made by human beings like sun, stars, and fireflies. So these are the natural sources of light from where we are getting the light. So sun is the main source of light. Sun is the main source of light. Okay. Now the next one is artificial sources of light. Artificial sources of light are those sources of light which are made by human beings. Those are made by human beings. These are those are known as the artificial sources of light, man-made sources of light. Example is, you can write any example of it over here: torch, lamp, candle, bulb. Okay, so these are the artificial sources of light. Those are made by the human beings. Okay, these are the man-made sources of light. So these are the two sources of light. Now next one is the next topic is properties of light. What is the next topic? That is the properties of light. So basically properties of light. In the last chapter, in chapter sound, ठीक है, in the we have read about the two properties of sound, that sounds cannot travel in a vacuum. Second is the speed of sound is faster in the solid medium. So those were the two properties of sound. So like sound, here we will read about the properties of light. We will read about the properties of light. So first property of light is light travels in a straight line. जो लाइट होती है बेटा, इट ऑलवेज ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ये हमेशा स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल करती है. इट ऑलवेज ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ऐसे स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल करती है. यू कैन सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ टॉर्च. व्हेन यू विल ऑन द टॉर्च, जब आप टॉर्च ऑन करते हो, देन देयर इज अ स्ट्रेट बीम ऑफ लाइट. बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट होती है ना उसकी लाइट, जो उसमें से लाइट निकल रही है. सो कभी आपने देखा दैट लाइट इज गोइंग इन दिस zigzag manner? No, light never travels in this zigzag manner. It always travels in a straight line. Clear everyone? Now this is the first property of light. Now the second property of light is light travels faster than sound. Light travels faster than sound. Okay, so what does it mean? कि जो speed होती है light की, speed of light is more than the speed of sound. Okay, so that's why light travels faster than the sound. कि जो speed है light की से ज़्यादा है as compared to the speed of sound. Okay, so let's take an example. During the thunderstorm, जब thunderstorm होता है, so you see a lightning first, a flash of lightning first, then you hear the thunder, then you hear the crash of thunder, है ना. Sound आपके पास बाद में आती है, but firstly you see the flash of light. Why it is so? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because the speed of light is more as compared to the speed of sound. Okay everyone? So this is our second property. Okay everyone, the next topic is uses of light. So you all know light is a form of energy, है ना. So mostly from where we are getting Sun is the main source of light. So now how we can use this light? What are the uses of light? So the light that is coming from sun, that is known as solar energy. So how we are using this energy? Basically first thing is plants are using this sunlight by making their food. You all know plants make their own food, है ना? When plants make their own food, then they use sunlight, because in the absence of sunlight they can never make their own food. So sunlight is necessary for them for photosynthesis, you can say, or to make their own food. So this is the one use that plants use sunlight during the photosynthesis. Now the second one is solar light is also used to produce electrical energy. कहते जो लाइट हमारे पास सन से आ रही है, सोलर एनर्जी और सोलर लाइट, और यू कैन से सोलर लाइट. Solar light can also be converted into electrical energy. We can also convert this into electrical energy. How we can convert this solar energy into electrical energy? With the help of solar panels. These are the solar panels, beta. These are solar panels. What is the function of these solar panels? That they attract the sunlight, they absorb the sunlight, okay, and then they convert this solar energy into electrical energy. Then we can use this electrical energy in so many ways. How we can use? To heat water, to light street lamps है ना, and traffic lights. So in this way we can use this solar energy. Okay. Now the next use is solar energy is also used by the solar cookers. There are special cookers now that are known as solar cookers that we can keep in the sunlight. Then we can cook anything in those solar cookers with the help of that solar energy. Because these solar cookers, they are black in color and they absorb this solar energy, and then we can cook food in these solar cookers. So these are the uses of light. Now the next one is, last topic is shadow. Now the last topic is shadow. Last topic is shadow. So how shadow is formed with the light? How shadow is formed? आपने देखा होगा ना, whenever you go on the roads, जब आप रोड पे जाते हो, है ना, whenever you are roaming here and there in the park, then you usually see your own shadow. आप अपनी भी shadow देखते हो, और with whom you are moving here and there, तो आप दूसरे person की भी shadow आपको visible होती है. So how this shadow is formed? How this shadow is formed? Have you ever think about that? कि जो हमारी ये shadow है ये कैसे बनती है? So बेटा ये कैसे बनती है? First of all, you all should know that कि जो shadow है, shadow is always formed by an opaque object. कौन से object बनाते हैं? Opaque object. Opaque object कौन से होते हैं? That does not allow light to pass through them. जिनके बीच में से लाइट जो है वो पास नहीं होती. एक होते हैं ट्रांसपेरेंट होते हैं जिसमें से लाइट बिल्कुल पास हो जाती है, थ्रू देम वी कैन सी क्लियरली. एक होते हैं ट्रांसल्यूसेंट होते हैं जिसमें से पार्शियली थोड़ी सी लाइट जो है वो पास करती है. ओके. द थर्ड वन इज द ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट, जिसमें से बिल्कुल भी लाइट जो है वो पास नहीं करती, लाइक आर ह्यूमन बॉडी, लाइक अ वुड, ठीक है, पीस ऑफ वुड. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स, दीज आर द ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके. सो शैडो इज ऑलवेज फॉर्म्ड बाय अ ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट. Now how it is formed? When light falls on an opaque object, like this is a piece of wood, and this is a piece of wood, and this is an opaque object. When light falls on it, जब light जो है इसके ऊपर fall करती है, then it blocks the light. Means light is not reaching to the other side. जो light है बेटा वो दूसरी side में पहुंच गई इसकी, इसलिए क्या कर रही लाइट को यहीं पे ब्लॉक कर लिया. ओके. Then automatically the other area it becomes darker. तो दूसरी साइड इसकी क्या हो जाती है? It becomes darker and that particular side makes a shadow. तो वो जो दूसरी साइड है that becomes darker, then that side make a shadow. So this is how a shadow is formed. Okay everyone? Okay, but the third property is light travels fastest in vacuum. This is the third property. Light travels fastest in vacuum. क्या होता है? वेयर देयर इज नो मीडियम, जहाँ पे कोई मीडियम नहीं होता. ओके, मीडियम मीन्स लाइक एयर एंड वाटर, एयर और वाटर. वेयर देयर इज नो एयर एंड वाटर दैट इज नोन एज वैक्यूम. उस चीज को क्या बोलते हैं? वैक्यूम. ओके, where there is no medium. So light travels fastest in vacuum. Where there is no medium, where, or you can say where there is no air and water, the speed of light is fastest. Why it is fastest? Like you can say, we can take one example. This is an area, or you can say this is a outer space. This is a outer space, because you know that in an outer space there is no medium. There is no medium. Okay, so when light is coming from the sun, like this light is coming from the sun. When it passes through the outer space, the speed of light जो है it becomes fastest over here. Why it is so? Because there are no particles of air and water to hit. यहाँ पे कोई पार्टिकल नहीं है एयर का जिसके साथ हमारी जो लाइट है वो टकराएगी आगे. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस स्पेस इज टोटली एम्प्टी. दिस स्पेस इज टोटली एम्प्टी. सो लाइट when it travels through the outer space, the speed of light becomes fastest, because if there will be you can say if there will be particles of air, then the light will strike with them and the speed of light क्या हो जाती है बेटा? स्लो हो जाती है. ठीक है, when there is no particle to strike with the light, then automatically the speed of light becomes fastest in vacuum. Clear everyone? Now the next property is white light is made up of 7 colors. Fourth property क्या है? White light is made up of 7 colors. So you all know, are with your okay. So white light is made up of these 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So how this vibgyor is formed in our sky? So when many drops of rain comes in the way of sunlight, है ना? So during that day our rainbow is formed. So white light, जो sunlight है वही तो आ रही है ना, that is coming, and when many drops of rain comes in the way of sunlight, then our vibgyor is formed. Then this white light substitutes into 7 colors. So these are the 4 properties of light. First is light travels in a straight line. Second is light travels faster than sound. Third is light travels fastest in vacuum. And the last one is white light is made up of 7 colors. Okay, so this is all about our properties of light. Now our next topic is uses of light. Next property is uses of light. Okay, that we will do in the next video. Okay everyone, so this is how a shadow is formed. Okay, shadow is formed always by a opaque object जिसमें से light pass नहीं होती. Okay everyone, so let's take an example. The example is there in your books. There is a boy and sunlight is there. The light is falling on the back side of his body. ठीक है, कहाँ पे पड़ रही है सनलाइट? उसके पीछे वाली साइड पे. ठीक है, एंड द फ्रंट साइड, जो उसकी फ्रंट साइड है, इट बिकम्स डार्कर. वाई? बिकॉज लाइट इज नॉट पासिंग थ्रू हिज बॉडी. उसकी बॉडी में से पास नहीं हो रही लाइट, है ना. जो लाइट है वो सिर्फ उसकी बैक साइड पे पड़ रही है. एंड दैट द फ्रंट साइड, दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया बिकम्स डार्कर एंड दैट साइड फॉर्म्स अ शैडो. सो दिस इज हाउ अ शैडो इज देयर. Okay, so this is how a shadow is formed. Okay everyone, so this is all about our chapter. The chapter is very easy. Once you will read it and along with my video, everything you will understand. And the last thing, one thing is more about the shadow, that when an object is close to the source of light, कहते हैं जितना ऑब्जेक्ट सोर्स ऑफ लाइट के क्लोज होगा उतनी आपकी शैडो क्या बनेगी? बिगर बनेगी. योर शैडो विल बी बिगर. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज फॉर अवे फ्रॉम द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, दिस इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट ना, दिस इज टॉर्च, लाइक दिस इज अ टॉर्च. ओके, अगर तो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट क्लोज है टॉर्च के, देन इट विल फॉर्म अ बिगर शैडो. इफ योर ऑब्जेक्ट इज फॉर अवे, अगर आपका ऑब्जेक्ट दूर है, मान लो ये बूंद यहाँ पे पड़ी है, ठीक है, your torch is there, now it is far away from the source of light, then it will form a smaller shadow. ठीक है, so these are the 2 things about the shadow. If your object is close, then it will form a bigger shadow. If your object is far away from the source of light, then it will form a smaller shell. Okay everyone, so this is all about our chapter. Please read this chapter very carefully. Now we will meet again with our next chapter. Thank you everyone.